As always, go ahead and retry this problem and read the subsequent context before watching the video. The narrator mentions a piece of lint and a flake of dandruff, primarily to, answer F, imply that the narrator's grandfather didn't value family traditions. So remember, all answers are typically going to be partially correct or almost all correct except for one word. And that is the case here in answer F. Basically, everything here implies that the narrator's grandfather didn't value a specific tradition, the tradition that is mentioned of naming the son after the grandfather. And so answer F makes it seem like that's what it's talking about. It's close, but the way it states it implies the narrator grandfather didn't value family traditions in general is what is wrong about this. So we can eliminate answer F because it's confusing a concept from the passage. Answer G provides examples of movements Baba made while filling out the birth certificate. So we know answer G is incorrect because in line 21 it says these are analogies, my grandfather, etc., etc. So saying that this is an analogy, not something, a movement that was actually made, not an example of a movement that was actually made. It's just being used to represent something else that's going on. So answer G is eliminated for that reason. Answer H emphasizes the importance of naming the baby after the baby's grandfather. That's certainly not why they're mentioning the lint. The exact opposite is being true. He is saying that it wasn't important. And so we can eliminate answer H based on what we know to be inaccurate. Answer J, illustrate the casual way in which the narrator's father ignored a tradition. And that is correct. That's what distinguishes this from answer F. Instead of talking about traditions in general, it's just talking about a single tradition that he did not find compelling and the casual way in which he ignores it. So answer J is correct. Write on your worksheet as question and whatever specific details. The more specific you can be, the more useful this will be when you're using it to review the weeks before your future ACTs. And you can also take some time to brainstorm things you can do differently in the future to be able to help you get questions like this or questions in general correct.